Nothing.
Who are you talking to?
Grandma.
Grandma?
Yeah.
Oh. What's Grandma doing?
No, Grandma.
Not Grandma? Who?
Poppy.
Poppy? Hmm. Well,
Nanny.
oh, and Nanny?
Yeah.
Oh my, you're talking to everybody, huh? What's Poppy doing? Don't break them. You won't be able to talk to Poppy. What do you do to talk to Poppy?
Nothing.
Is he there?
Yeah.
Can you hear him?
No.
Oh, you gotta say hello.
Show it.
Don't you touch those buttons.
Do it.
No.
Pick it up.
Hmm.